Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install React with Vite and then install Shadcn in the React project with TypeScript. Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's go to Shadcn, search on Google, and then click on the link over here and then go to Docs and then go to Installation and then you go to Vite. Nowadays, if you want to set up React projects, I highly recommend using Vite because it's easier than using React CLI. Okay, let's get started. For example, I'm going to install it on my desktop. I press Shift on keyboard and right click and then open PowerShell over here. And then I want you to make sure that you have installed Node.js on your computer. Type Node and V. If you haven't installed Node.js on your computer, you have to install it. Okay, the next step, you have to copy this command to create Vite projects. Copy it and paste this over here and hit enter. It's going to ask you the project's name. Over here, I'm going to name it React Shadcn. Hit enter. And then over here, we are going to create React projects. Hit enter. And we are going to choose TypeScript. Hit enter. And I can close this one. Then I'm going to drag and drop this folder on Visual Studio Code to open the project with Visual Studio Code. And then I'm going over here and new terminal. So the next command that we have to do is npm install to install React package on this project. Okay. And then you will get node_module over here. Over here you can type npm, and then over here you can type npm run dev to run React application. Press Ctrl and click on the link over here. It will open React application over here. So let's take a look at the next step. We have successfully created React application over here. The next step is to install Tailwind CSS. Because Shadcn need you to install Tailwind CSS, so you have to do so. Copy this command and paste this over here. I'm going to create a new terminal over here. Paste it over here, hit enter. This command is used to install Tailwind CSS. The next command is to copy this command and paste it on terminal over here. This command will use to initialize Tailwind configuration. You will see postcss.configs.js over here, and you will see tailwind.configs.js over here after execute this command. Okay, the next step is to edit tsconfigs.json. So you just copy this one and go to ts.configs.json over here. So make sure that you are in compiler option. Okay, go over here, put comma over here and paste the code over here. Highlight it and press shift tab, okay, to adjust the code a little bit. Okay, what is the next step? The next step is to update vite.configs.ts. Before you update it, you have to install type node, so you can import path without an error. Copy this command and paste this over here. Hit enter. Okay, and then you go to vite.configs.ts and you just copy this resolve and paste this over here. Over here you will see path this one don't forget to import it. Copy this one and paste it over here. Save it. Okay, the next step, we are going to start install Shadcn UI. Copy this command. Okay, hit enter. It's going to ask you whether you use TypeScript on these projects. Just hit yes, and then keep its default, and then you can choose multiple color over here. I'm going to go with slate. And then it's going to ask you where is your global CSS files. Over here from the documentation, it's recommend this one, source index.css. Over here, just type source index.css, which is this file. Go to source here and index.css. Hit enter. It's going to ask you, would you like to use CSS variable for color? Over here, it doesn't say anything. I'm going to go with yes. And over here, just leave it blank. And then, where is your tailwind.config.js located? It's located in root directory. So we just hit enter. See? Just hit enter. And then hit enter. And enter. And it's going to ask you, are you using React Server component from the documentation? If say no, just choose no, hit enter. And then write configuration to component.json. And then just press yes. Okay. The next step, so if you want to use Shadcn UI component, you have to add it into your project. This is how you add a button to your project. You type npx Shadcn -UI at latest and add button. Copy this command and paste it over here. Hit enter. So let's go to source and then go to app.tsx. Let me clear this code over here. Let's remove this one and this one too, and all of this one, and app CSS too. You can delete app.css over here as well. Okay, app over here. And then this is how you can import the button into your project. Over here, you put import button from component-ui.component-button. Paste it over here, and then over here you can use button over here. And over here you can put tags on here, like hello Shadcn UI. Save it. And if you go here, you refresh, you will see the button component from Shadcn UI. For example, if you want to use other component, such as card over here, let's try this one. Okay, copy this one, paste it over here, hit enter, and you will see the card component over here. So just want to let you know that your component is in this folder. The next step, copy this one and import it into app if you want to use in app over here. And then over here, just copy here and paste it over here. So this is the header section, and this is the body section, and this is footer. Save it, and let's see over here. You will see cart over here. For example, if I put like div over here and copy cart here, put this over here, and you can use Tailwind over here as well. Class name, and then P20, save it. You will see cart over here. Title, content, and footer. Alright, this is all about this video. If you like this video, feel free to click like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.